Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today we're going to be looking at this 2007 GMC Yukon. I'm going to show you the location and give you some information on the vapor canister vent solenoid. You'll find that at the rear of the vehicle on this vehicle and most others. So the vapor vent solenoid is a part of the emissions component, and it releases fuel vapors while you're pumping gas, and it also shuts and allows the system to build up pressure and go through the purge system, and that's going to be on a different video. But this will be the same, if not very similar, to many makes and models of the GMC trucks and SUVs, such as the Cadillac Escalade, the Chevy Avalanche, the Chevy Suburban, the Chevy Tahoe, the GMC Yukon, and the XL. 2007 to 2016, it covers a ton of vehicles. So, like, subscribe, and share while you're watching. If this video does help you out, make sure you comment below and let me know the year, make, and model that it does, so other people will know as well. Make sure you check out the video library. I have some videos on how to test this component. Let's get going on this 2007 GMC Yukon. On these trucks, vans, SUVs, you're going to find the vapor canister vent solenoid or valve above the spare wheel. So getting under the rear of the vehicle, looking above the axle, you're going to find the vapor canister. This is where fuel vapors are stored on your vehicle. The vent solenoid allows vapors to escape through the vent solenoid into the atmosphere, like when you're pumping gas, but also when vacuum is sensed in the vapor system, air will flow into the vapor system using the vent solenoid as well. So this hose going to the rear of the vehicle is leading to the vapor vent solenoid. If you need to replace the vent solenoid, I would recommend replacing it all as one piece, all of the hoses, the vent solenoid, and the filter. It comes as one whole kit if you look for it. There'll be links in the description below. If you need one, just click on that link or those links and you'll find it. Right there is the vapor vent solenoid above the spare wheel. If you're going to replace your vapor vent solenoid, make sure you drop the spare wheel to gain access to it a lot easier than I am showing you in this video. But right there it is. If you're chasing some codes, make sure you comment below and ask questions. Let me know what code you're chasing. The most common symptoms to a bad vapor vent solenoid is having problems pumping gas or having gross or small EVAP leaks because they get stuck open and then air flows in and out and it never passes the EVAP test. But again, the most common symptom is having a problem pumping gas because air cannot escape. So if you're clicking off real quick when you're trying to fill up the gas tank, this is more than likely going to be your issue. If you look in the video library, I have videos on how to test the vent solenoid if you think yours is bad. These do not get replaced as a routine maintenance procedure, only replaced if they go bad. Right there, again, vapor vent solenoid. Hopefully this video helps you out, and if it does, make sure you comment below. Let me know the year, make, model of the vehicle that this video did help you on, and again, ask questions. If you need some knowledge, I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you on the next hopefully helpful video.